Hi Anna, how are you? Hi Anna, how are you?
Fine. How are you? Fine. How are you?
I am also fine. I am also fine.
What do you want? What do you want?
I am hungry. I would like to eat something. I am hungry. I would like to eat something.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
I would like to go to a Chinese restaurant. I would like to go to a Chinese restaurant.
What kind of Chinese food do you like? What kind of Chinese food do you like?
I like Chinese fish. Do you like? I like Chinese fish. Do you like?
No, I don't. But I like pizza. No, I don't. But I like pizza.
Let's go out. Let's go out. Hello dear, we do hard work so please subscribe. Hello guys, please like and subscribe our channel. For next video, click on this.